Hello kids, how are you all? Let's learn about colors first. Blue color, sky blue color, brown color, violet color, black color. Today we are going to write here A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's start writing. A for apple. A for aeroplane. This one is a small letter A. A for apple. Sky blue color B. B for ball. B for bat. This one is small letter B. B for bat. Violet color C. C for cat. C for cup. This one is small letter C. C for cup. Brown color D. D for dog. D for donkey. This one is a small letter D. D for donkey. Blue color E. E for elephant. E for egg. This one is small letter E. E for egg. Black color F. F for fish. F for frog. This one is small letter F. F for frog. G. It's capital letter G. G for grapes. G for goat. And this one is small letter G. G for goat. H. It's capital letter H. H for hen. This one is small letter H. H for house. I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. It's small letter I. Capital letter I. This one is small letter I. I for igloo. J. Capital letter J. And this one is small letter J. J for joker. J for jam. K. K for kangaroo. Capital letter K. And this one is small letter K. K for kite. L. Capital letter L. And this one is small letter L. L for lamp. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for mouse. Capital letter M. This one is small letter M. M for mouse. N. N for nose. Capital N. And this one is small letter N. N for nails. O. Capital O. And this one is small letter O. O for orange. O for owl. P. Capital letter P. And this one is small letter P. P for peacock. P for pigeon. Q. Capital letter Q. Small letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. R. R for rat. Capital R, and this one is small letter R. R for rabbit. Capital letter S, and this one is small letter S. S for sun. S for sunflower. T. It's capital T, and this one is small letter T. T for tiger. T for top. U. Capital letter U, and this one is small letter U. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Capital letter V, and this one is small letter V. V for van. V for violin. W. Capital W, and this one is small letter W. W is for watch. W is for water. X. Capital letter X. This one is small letter X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Y. Capital Y. This one is small letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Z. It's capital letter Z, and this one is small letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Now kids, let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye bye kids. See you in the next class.